This model kit review is of the Avro Biplane from 1911. It is a 1/48 scale model by Lindberg, and this is a reprint. It's an old model kit, but you can see it's a new box. I don't see any other details. There's some more information about the actual plane, and let's have a look inside at the model. Here are decals. They're real decals for this plane. So we have 4 sprues here, and this is, as we said, an old molding. And here are our wing parts. Here's our elevator. Another part of the wing. These are all the struts for joining the wings up. More wing parts. We do have some mold lines on most of these pieces. It's a old molding. More wing parts. Here's our skids. We've got some wheels. Those are fairly well detailed. And then here's our fuselage, for what it's worth, which was mostly made up of wires and struts. We do have some engine parts here, and our tail, large propeller. Let's have a look at our instructions. We start off with the fuselage. We put in the pilot, controls, and stabilizer and tail. We put the lower wing on, as well as the skids. Those go onto the lower wing. Then the upper wing goes on, and then our engine with propeller and radiator, that all goes in together, and then wheels. And last few pieces there, those are the color. This is the colors needed here, and this is the paint guide. So all in all, fairly simple model. You could add all the extra wiring, which would be good. But it's a typical Lindberg quality.